Yeah, I got some headers coming in, so I am taking off my exhaust. I'm now taking off the manifold bolts. I've already taken off the downpipe muffler. I got a MagnaFlow I'm going to replace this stock one with. I've already gutted the cat. The cat is still here so that I don't throw a cold. Kept the sensor in. And so, yeah. Now I'm just going to wait for the headers and the muffler to come in. So Napa didn't have the extensions I needed, so I just did my own. And I'm welding. Yep, so look at the bead. Kind of sloppy at the top. Had to get my heat going. For the most part, she's good to go. Now I'm putting on these little adapters and I'm going to connect it to the end and we're good. Yeah, buddy. That's a powerful little tool there, man. And it is all in preparation for the headers, but I ended up breaking my little inlet thing here, and you can see where the hairline crack is if this thing would focus, but okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so sometimes this will be the problem you'll have. Even though everything's lined up, you'll have a huge gap. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to fill that gap. So here we go, we are done. Some solid welds on there. Good to go. Put this bitch in. So there we go. Headers installed. So I just welded on the bolt to the muffler clamp because there was none. When I re-welded the pipe, it didn't fit, so yeah. Welded that bolt under there, and that went through there, so there we go. Got the MagnaFlow. The cat, I gutted that out, so that's nothing in there. So it came with the new crossover that goes to the headers, which was a joy to put in. Oh my God. I ended up actually taking off a motor mount, lifting the motor to get it in because it was just hitting a bracket that there was no way to get around. So I'm just waiting for my lower input from a water pump to come in. I broke the last one taking the exhaust manifold off, but we'll be ready in a couple days. All right.